It is a common goal for many people to lose weight fast and stay in shape. We know that there are millions of diet plans that promise to help you lose weight, reduce belly fat, and fight against water retention. Here I will inform you amazing drinks that will help you to lose weight fast. This drink is already famous and used by many people in the world. This homemade drink is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the instructions. Here is ingredients, what you need to do it. 1 medium cucumber. 1 slice lemon. 1 tablespoon grated ginger. 2 liters of purified water. 12 mint leaves. Let's know how each ingredient works to lose weight. Cucumber. Cucumbers are refreshing, high in water content, loaded with fiber, and very low in calories. Cucumber is also a powerful ingredient for weight loss and fat burning, especially around your waist. They also help detox the body. Lemon. Lemon will flush out all toxins accumulated in your body, and this will contribute to much faster melting of fat. Ginger. Ginger will fire up metabolism, prevent constipation, and melt unwanted belly fat. If you want to have flat tummy, make sure you regularly include ginger in your meals. All compounds in ginger work in synergy to prevent overeating and blast belly fat fast. Process of making this drink. Just put all ingredient in water jar and leave them overnight, and it would be best if you store them in refrigerator. You can drink the mixture throughout the day. To get better result, drink half glass before each meal. It would melt the belly fat and help you to get flat tummy. This drink boosts your immune system and leaves your body more resilient. Very soon, you will start to see the surprising result in your body. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to be notified of new uploaded videos.